So we have to convert this delta network into star. So for this, what we have to do? First, draw this delta connected network. This is 2 ohms, this is 3, and this is also 3 ohms. So we are going to convert into star. So in the star, we have the values unknown. So those are RA, RB, and RC. I measuring with us. So we have to find out these values. How can you find RA? So I told you how to remember the formula easily. See, I am drawing here the star network inside this. If you want to find out this resistance value, then you have to multiply these two, 2 ohm and 3 ohm. 2 into 3 in the numerator divided by sum of all the resistances in the delta connected network. It is 2 plus 3 plus 3. So 2 into 3 is 6 by 8. So it is 3 by 4 ohm. RA is 3 by 4. Next, what about RB? RB means this resistor. So this is connected in between these two resistors, 3 ohms. So therefore multiply those two in the numerator, 3 into 3 by 2 plus 3 plus 3, 9 by 8. And next RC, 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3 plus 3, 6 by 8 again. So it is 3 by 4. So now we got the equivalent star network. We converted the delta into star. So draw that star network and assign the values for each resistor in the star connected network. RA is 3 by 4, RB 9 by 8, and RC 3 by 4. So this is the answer. So now we are going to derive star to delta. So we have seen up to now delta network. If the delta network is given, how to convert into star. Suppose if the star connected network is given, then how can we convert into delta? So first let's derive the equations for that. Is it clear this problem, all of you? So next one, star to delta conversion. So for this star to delta conversion, I will use whatever the formulas we derived in the previous one. I will use those formulas. That is RA, RB, and RC. So the given network is star network, and we have to convert that star network into delta. So these values are RA, RB, RC. Terminals 1, 2, 3, and we are converting into delta. This is R12, R23, and this is R31. So in this, what are the known values? Yes. RA, RB, RC are the known values. Unknown values are the delta values. So we need to find out the equation for the delta resistors in terms of those star values. R12, R23 and R31, these are the unknown values. We are going to derive the equation for R12, R23 and R31 now. So for this, I will use the equations whatever we derived in the last case, that is RA equation. What is the RA equation we got in delta to star conversion? RA is, I think, R12 into R31 by R12 plus R23 plus R31, isn't it? Next, RB is R12 into R23 by R12 plus R23 plus R31, and RC value R23 into R31 by R12 plus R23 plus R31. So these are the values we got in the case of delta to star conversion. Now I am going to use these values. So what I will do is multiply first RA, RB, after that RB, RC, and after that RA, RC. First I am going to multiply these two, RA, RB, then RA is R12 into R31 by R12 plus R23 plus R31 into RB value is R12 R23 by this is RA RB R12 square R23 R31 by the denominator. To multiply those two, it will become square R23 plus R31 square. So this is RA RB. In the same way, next multiply RB and RC. RB is R12 R23 by, you can do it, it is easy one. Simultaneously you also do it. RC is R23 into R31 by R12 plus R23 plus R31. So for this we will get R23 square R12 R31. So in this R23 is there, in this also R23 is there. So if you multiply you will get R23 square by denominator again the same thing, R12 plus R23 plus R31 whole square. So next RA into RC I am multiplying. RA is R12 R23 by R12 plus R23 plus R1 R31 to RC is R23 R31 by, so if you multiply you will get here RB, is that equation correct? RA equation R12 into R31. So in numerator we have 2 R31. So R31 square into R12 into R23 by R12 plus R23 plus R31 whole square. So now we got RARB, RBRC and RARC. Now what I am going to do is I will add all those RARB plus RBRC plus RARC. What is the equation RARB? Can you tell me the equation RARB? RBRC equation plus RARC. RARC equation is R31 square R12 R23 by R12 plus R23 plus R31 whole square. So in the denominator, in all the terms, R12 plus R23 plus R31 whole square is common. So LCM is this. Now we can add all the terms in the numerator. R12 square R23 R31 plus R23 square R12 R31 plus R31 square R12 R23. What we can take common in the numerator? Yes, R12, R23, R31. So in each and every term these three are there. So the remaining thing in the first term is only R12 plus in the second one R23. In the third one, so after removing these three, the remaining thing is R31 by R12 plus R23 plus R31 whole square. So one time it will get cancelled. Then it is R12, R23, R31 by R12 plus R23 plus R31. So this is what RARB plus RBRC plus RARC. So but what we are going to derive? The equation for R12, R23 and R31. See here all are club, but how can we derive? See in this formula, if you carefully observe this formula, there may be RA equation or RB equation or RC equation will be there. If you observe this formula. See if I remove R12 and the remaining part, if you observe this, this is the equation for what? R23 into R31 by R12 plus R23 plus R31. RC equation. So we can replace the whole thing with RC. R12 is there, extra term R12 into this total is the RC. So now except R12 remaining all are RA, RB and RC. Those are all known values. Now we got the equation for R12. So therefore R12 is equal to RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RA, RC by RC. So this is the equation for R12. In the same way, you can find out R23 and R31. So if you need R23 means left this R23 and the remaining thing is the formula for what? Just find out it. Then you will get the equation for R23. In the same way for R31. This R31 put it aside and the remaining thing. So that is the formula for what? Find it. Then you can get the formulas for R23 and R31. Do it and tell me. In delta to star conversion, denominator is same for all the three. Here in star to delta conversion, numerator is same for all the three things. This R12, R23 and R31. Have you got the equation for R23? By RA. Yes. RB or RA for R23? Denominator. Numerator will be same. So R23 means the remaining two resistors is R12 and R31. R12, R31 by R12 plus R23 plus R31. That is the formula for RA. So this is. Next R31 is, you will get numerator the same thing divided by RB. For this also, how to remember the formula, I will tell you. Numerator anyway you can remember. For all the three resistors, the numerator is same. So just remember, we have to multiply RA, RB, RC, then you have to add all those three. That is the numerator. And denominator, how to remember is, so we have a star connected network and we are converting into delta. This is RA, this is RB, and this is RC. So the unknown thing I am drawing with black color. This R12, R23 and R31. See for R12 directly the opposite resistance is RC. So numerator will be same. R12 is equal to RARB plus RBRC plus RARC. The numerator is same for all. Divided by opposite resistance. For R12 opposite resistance is RC. So you have to divide with RC. In the same way for R23 numerator will be same for this also. For R23 opposite resistance is what? RA. So you have to divide this with RA. And for R31 resistor is this. For this opposite resistance is what? This RB. Opposite resistance is RB. So again for this also numerator is same. You have to divide with RB. So in this way you can remember the formula. I will give you one problem on this. I will give a star connected network and convert into delta. Convert the given star connected network into delta connected network. So this is the given star connected network. Convert into delta. First draw the given network. We are going to convert this into delta. So in delta, these resistor values are the unknown values. We are going to find out it. This is R12, this is R23, and this is R31. So find out these three values. So to find out R12, I told you numerator is same. Numerator is what? RA, RB. So given, first write down this RA, RB and RC values. This is RA 5 ohms, RB 5 and RC is 3. This is RA, this is RB and this is RC. So R12 means RA RBRC plus RARC divided by, we are finding R12. For R12, what will be the opposite resistance? RC. 5 into 5 plus 5 into 3 plus 5 into 3 divided by RC is 3. What is the value? 65 by 3 volts. So in the same way, 55. Okay. R23. So for R23, again the same formula, numerator will be same, 55 by R23. For R23, opposite resistance will be RA. RA is 5. So 55 by 5, 11 volts. I am not writing the formula. Is it okay? Yes. Next R31. Again the numerator is same, 55 by, for R31 opposite resistance is RB. RB is again 5 ohms. So it is also 11 volts. So delta to star conversion and star to delta conversion is over. Now I will give you a problem. Not only it consists of only star connector, only delta connection. So it consists of a different connection, series, parallel, delta connection, star connection. So then how can you reduce the network and how to find out the equivalent resistance? Let's see that one. So I will give the problem, first you try, then I will explain the solution. This is the network given. It's terminal A and this is B. 1 ohm, 2 ohm, so this is 3 and this is 4 ohm and this is 5 ohm. So find the equivalent resistance between A and B terminals. So to find the equivalent resistance between A and B, we have to reduce the network, right? Suppose if the current is passing from here, from terminal A, and this is the junction point. At this node, the current is dividing here. If the current is dividing means, is it series? Is it series connection? Parallel. So 1 ohm and 2 ohm are in parallel. Are they parallel? Sure. Every one of you. It's absolutely wrong. 1 ohm and 2 ohm, those two are not either in series nor in parallel. Why? No. Whenever the current is dividing, and one more thing, the voltage across those two will also be same. Then only those two resistors must be in parallel. Otherwise, and one more thing, one end of the two resistors must be connected to the same point, and other end of the two resistors will also be connected. See, one end of these two resistors are connected at this point. Let us assume this is C point, and other end of this 1 ohm is this, and other end of this 2 ohm is this. Is these two are connected? No, between those two and one more resistor is there. Then how can they are parallel? Voltage across those two resistors are not equal. Parallel means they must current must be divided, and voltage across the two resistors must also be same. When will be the voltage same? When the connection will be like this, then the voltage across these two resistors, 1 ohm and 2 ohm, will be equal. You understand? టూ రెసిస్టర్స్ ఉంటే ఒక ఎండ్ కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి ఇంకొక ఎండ్ వేరే రెసిస్టర్ కి కనెక్ట్ అయితే అవి రెండు ప్యారలల్ కాదు. ఈవెన్ దో ద కరెంట్ ఈస్ డివైడింగ్, అదర్ ఎండ్స్ కూడా కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉండాలి, అప్పుడే అవి రెండు ప్యారలల్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్ వన్ అక్రాస్ అదర్ కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉండాలి. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? మరి ఇప్పుడు ఇదేం కనెక్షన్? ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇన్ సిరీస్, నాట్ ఇన్ ప్యారలల్, దెన్ వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ కనెక్షన్? Look at this, how it is. How it look? Don't go with the weak stone bridge. Now how it look like? These three resistors, 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm. Delta. So that is delta connection. మీకు series parallel కాదు అంటే then other connection, either it may be the delta connection or star connection. Then how can you reduce the network? ఇలా ఉంటే reduce చేయలేం. Suppose if I convert this delta into star, స్టార్ లోకి వచ్చింది అనుకోండి కనెక్షన్, అప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటుంది? So this is D and this is E point. This is C, D, E. So to this D point, what is the resistor connected? 5 ohm. To E point, what is the resistor connected? 4 ohm. And these two are connected at capital B. Capital B. Otherwise, assume it as. Now, can you reduce this network? ఈ రెసిస్టర్ వాల్యూస్ తెలియదు, మీరు కన్వర్ట్ చేసినాక ఈ వాల్యూస్ రాయండి. దెన్ దిస్ రెసిస్టర్ ఆర్ ఇన్ సిరీస్ ఆర్ ప్యారలల్? సిరీస్. సేమ్ కరెంట్ ఫ్లో అవుతుంది అండ్ వన్ ఆఫ్టర్ అదర్ కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాయి. సో దీస్ టూ ఆర్ సిరీస్. నెక్స్ట్ దీస్ టూ విల్ ఆల్సో బీ ఇన్ సిరీస్. అప్పుడు దీని ఈక్వలెంట్ ఇవి రెండు ఏమవుతాయి? ప్యారలల్. దెన్ again the resultant will be in series with this resistor. ఇప్పుడు చేయగలుగుతారా ప్రాబ్లం? సాల్వ్ ఇట్. First convert the delta connection into star. So those who don't know still, you can listen here. So this 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm resistor are connected in delta form. Then what I am doing, I am converting delta into star. So for that, first I will take the delta connected network. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So I am converting into star form. Serialization RA, RB, RC. RA value, so for finding RA, this RA is connected in between these two. So I will draw that one also. For our convenience only I am drawing it here. No need to draw the network here and don't confuse. ఇది ఇంకొక సర్క్యూట్ ఏమో అనుకోకండి. దీన్నే నేను ఇక్కడ డ్రా చేస్తున్నా ఎందుకు టు నో ద ఫార్ములా. This is RA, this is RB and this is RC. So for RA is connected between 1 and 2. So multiply 1 and 2, 1 into 2 by sum of the 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 2 by 6 or it is 1 by 3. Yes. Next RB. In the same way you can find out RB and RC. RB means 2 into 3 by 6. 1 ohm. Next RC means RC is connected between 1 and 3. So 1 into 3 by denominator same 6, 1 by 2. Now redraw the entire network by replacing the delta network with star. RA value 1 by 1 by 3, 1 ohm and this is 1 by 2 ohm. And to this one more resistor is connected in our problem. What is the value of this resistor? This is 5 ohm and this is 4 ohm. Just in place of delta, I draw the star network and I assign the values what we got here. Which one? Okay. Read the total problem. Now in this, if you observe these two resistors, 1 by 2 and 5 ohm, those two are in series. So I will write it here. 1 by 2 ohm and 5 ohm are in series and 1 ohm and 4 ohm. These two are also in series. So I will replace the series combination of those with an equivalent resistance. దాన్ని ఇంకేమైనా రెడ్యూస్ అవుతుందా? 2.9 ohms is the answer. So check this one. This is 1 by 3, 1 by 2 and 5 ohm series. Replace these two with an equivalent resistance that consists of 1 by 2 plus 5. Yes, correct. 1 by 2 plus 5 here. And this is 1 and 4 series, 1 plus 4. So it is 5. This is connected to B point and this is connected to A point. Now in this, 1 by 2 plus 5. What is the value for this? 11 by 2, I think. So this is 11 by 2. Now these two, 11 by 2 and 5 ohm, are in parallel. Exactly one across other one. So 1 by 11 by 2 and 5 ohm are in parallel. So replace those two with a single resistor. This is 1 by 3. Parallel combination of these two. 11 by 2 into 5 by 11 by 2 plus 5. How much you will get? 55 by 21. Now this 1 by 3 ohm and 55 by 21 are in series. This is 1 by 3 plus 55 by 21. So we'll get it is 2.9. This is the equivalent resistance between A and B terminals. Is it clear this problem? I will give one more problem. This is A terminal and this is B terminal. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B, REAB. So this also you can use the delta to star and star to delta conversion, and you can reduce the network. All are 1 ohm resistors only. So try to solve it. If you can't, I will explain you tomorrow in the next class.